46,000! Good morning, folks. Here is Dave the Beaver, DTB in short, and I'm driving around the world on my Solatrike. That's the one here. A solar-powered recumbent trike, but human legs powered as well. So now I'm on the lake, on the lake through Canada, from west to east to Halifax. Now I'm in Ontario, just leaving Thunder Bay. This morning it was a freaking thunderstorm, that's why it's called Thunder Bay. And finally the sun get out. So we're heading to Nipigon today. I was at a Terry Fox Memorial statue to visit that statue as well as 100 others as well. The only downside is there is no cycle path to that memorial site, so please make one, because a lot of motorcyclists want to pay their honor to Terry Fox as well. So see you on the road. Again, and after the lunch break I had to change 2 broken spones in the back wheel of the trike, so the repairs will start coming from these bumpy roads. Yeah, I will see how it goes. Better weather. Yesterday I went to Nipigon and I stayed at a nice warm showers host Tim, and yeah, today I will go further on and it will be some nasty, very steep uphills. I will see how I can manage that. Of Lake Superior, I reached 46,000 kilometers on my Solatrike! and today it will be a marathon. Now I will go to marathon. No, not in Greece. Here in Canada they have a marathon as well. And yesterday there were about 4 big hills, and today there were about 100 small but still steep hills. One of them I already passed. So, see you.